So students, last 2 days we are in the exercise 6.5, that is the application of Pythagoras theorem, and today we are in the last part of that exercise 6.5. So last day we have done question number 13, now question number 14. Now question number 14, actually 13, 14 and 15 almost same, almost same. So let's see question number 14. Question number 14. So what is that? It is given that the perpendicular from A on the side BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at D, so that such that DB equal to 3 CD. Okay? So diagram already given. So this is A, this is C, B and D. Now see what you have to prove. Before that, DB equal to thrice CD. Now DB equal to thrice CD. Now first of all you try to find out the relation between DB and BC and CD and DB. Okay, so let's see what is BC. BC equal to CD plus DB. Now CD plus twice CD equal to 4 CD. Therefore CD equal to 1 by 4 BC. Now if CD equal to 1 by 4 BC, then what is the relation between DB and BC? DB equal to 3 by 4 BC, because DB is thrice CD. Okay? Now let's see one by one part. From right angle triangle, from right angle triangle ABC. What is that? AD square plus CD square equal to AC square. Now what is AD? AD, nothing is there, so AD is equal. What is CD? CD is 1 by 4 BC. Whole square equal to AC square. Implies AD square equal to AC square minus 1 by 16 BC square. This is equation number 1. Then from triangle, from right angle triangle, okay. From right angle triangle, ABB. What is that? AB square plus DB square equal to AB square. Then AB square. Now what is DB? 3 by 4 GC equal to AB square. Equal to AB square. Implies AB square equal to AB square minus 9 by 16 BC square. This is equation number 2. Now see, one thing you can see, AD square, both AD square. Then what will happen? From 1 and 2. So AC square minus 1 by 16 BC square equal to AB square minus 9 by 16 BC square. Now, you shift any way you can do. You can shift this one. Then, what will happen? Sorry. Then plus 9 by 16 BC square equal to AB square. Then what happened? Implies AC square plus 8 by 16 BC square equal to AB square. See, 2, 1. Then you see minus 1 by 16 and plus 9 by 16, both BC square, BC square. Then what will happen? So 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 16, 1 by 2. Now you take the LCM. Now you take the LCM and then you see, you take the LCM, then let's see, implies twice AC square plus BC square divided by 2 equal to AB square. Implies twice AC square plus BC square equal to twice AB square. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So what will do? We will take the LCM. So LCM here nothing is there, means 1 is there. So 1. So LCM is 2. So twice AC square plus BC square equal to AB square divided by 2 equal to AB square. And then 2 will cross multiply. Then it will be twice AC square plus BC square equal to 2 AB square. Okay. Now let's see. Next one, question number 15. Almost same as this one. Almost same as this one. Okay. So let's see. Now 15. 15, what happened? Equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. A, B, C. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay? This is a point on BC. B is a point on BC. And then you draw perpendicular. Suppose this is E. And then relation given is that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Okay? BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Now if BD, then BE equal to how much? BE equal to 1 by 2 BC. Why? Because perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the base of an equilateral triangle bisect the base. Perpendicular drawn from vertex to the base. Perpendicular drawn from vertex to the base. Perpendicular to the base. So that means BE equal to CE. So ultimately BE equal to half BC. Then let's see. What is DE? DE equal to, see, DE minus BD. BE equal to how much? Half BC. And BD equal to how much? 1 by 3 BC. Then what is the LCM? 3 minus 2 by 6 DC, ultimately 1 by 6 DC. Now, as it is equilateral doing up,